Oh.
Back.
Here we go again. Oh, they get very excited. Hey, don't throw it towards me.
Okay.
Now you gotta be quick, Helena, when it comes on you.
All right, just trying to think about it. Let's move back.
Get it!
There they
Go!
are.
Whoa!
All right, down again.
I don't know. They kind of catch on. Oh, they're getting excited.
Alright, now this side.
Oh.
Wait till we tell you. Wait till we tell you. Oh, no, you're scaring them away, Ellen.
Oh, God. We got the whole family involved in this.
Oh, you win, okay?
Don't tell you when.
You're right.
Oh, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
No!
Okay, now.
You got it!
You got it.
Oh, you really did it. Okay, let's see. Oh, God.
All right. Talk to her gently. Okay.
Oh!
Oh, no, say stop.
Stop.
No.
Stop. You don't have time to tell her. Hey, cut it out. Cut it out.
All right. Let him go.
Don't put your face down.
Don't put your face down.
Wait a minute. I'm going to give him some. I'm going to give him a...
Good job, Helena.
Catching a seagull.
Yeah.